before social media, a lot of the advertisements were really like advertisements. But nowadays with social media, there's a lot of ways to show like point of view, real life experiences that can inspire people. Like for me, I'm a content creator myself, and I really like to just show what happens, not show an advertisement, but show my personal experience.
You're constructive as what your comment, you can bring some improvement wherever you go. Keep doing that.
What's the importance of innovation in doing business, especially in tourism?
Innovation, well, it's also extremely important. You can do so many things right now in the social media. You can do live, you can do virtual tours, you can do collaborations, and all of those are important as long as it brings engagement, as long as it brings more people, and showing what are the beautiful places we have here around.
Especially now during the pandemic, we miss going out. So I think this is a good time. What will be your final message to the audiences here that are attending this tourism summit, especially our young people who wanted to venture into the tourism business?
I believe my best advice would be to not just keep scrolling, but also go out there, do your own content. We have so many beautiful spots. I'm sure we have so many hidden
areas na very interesting and so much possibilities here in Manila. Ang dami nating mag-offer.
Yes.
So I'd like to welcome everybody. Thank you for being here. Please take advantage of this morning and keep learning.
Salamat ma'am, bago kita pakawalan, dalawin ko na mister nyo, ang dati ko, sumami kita. Estudyante ko po yung anak nila ma'am sa Entrepreneurs School of Asia, kaya napasok na sa Go Negosyo. Ma'am, ano po sa palagay ninyo ang natatangi pang potensyal?
Prime tourist destination for the world. And we're hoping that the restaurants and all the facilities for tourism will be ready and prepared for the incoming wave of visitors. So I'm very happy to see a lot of people are interested about tourism.
Ano pa sa palagay niyo, Sir Eric, ang dapat gawin ng bawat Pilipino at especially ng mga nasa pamahalaan natin upang ma-promote pa po ang ating turismo sa bansa?
We have to work like a team. Everybody has a role to play for boosting visits to our
We are supporting the country, at saka yan ay sign na progressive ang country mo when your tourism is increased.
Nakita mo yung mga nakadaang linggo, sumikat yung taka-taka-taka.
Ikaw yung nagpasikan.
Hindi nga ako. Alam mo, may nagsabi sa akin, Mike, gawin mo yun. Una, bagong magawa yun, parang patayin na ako sa pagod, di ba? Pero nakita mo, nakakatuwa na maraming Pilipino ang gumamit ng trending na TikTok na yan para i-promote hindi ang sarili kung hindi ang bayan. Sa palagay mo, Sir Richie, ano ang napakalaking tulong ng social media in promoting tourism?
Alam mo naman tayong dalawa, galing tayo sa old school.
Yes, super!
Pero buhat inubas siyang social media, yung craze, I would say, ng TikTok, IG, and the rest.
Grabe, no?
Bumata kayo pareho.
Siyempre, mapipilitan tayo.
Kasi alala ko yung grade school ako, college ka na yun, di ba?
Yes. grabe ka sa akin.
Pero seriously,
producer ng video na ating nakita kanina. It was produced by Joshua Chua. Let's give Joshua a big round of applause. He is one of the Travel Content Creator Awardees who actively promotes the local Philippine economy through travel and immerse themselves in unforgettable experiences and syempre, create lasting memories. Kaya nga nagta-travel tayo, di ba? So here today for our Tourism Summit, let us not only celebrate the beauty of the Philippines, but reaffirm our commitment to sustainable tourism. Kung ano yon, we're gonna dive deep into the details later on. Pero ngayon lang talaga ang gusto namin i-establish. Ang ibig sabihin ng sustainable tourism ay ang ating future generations. To please take their seats on stage. today's initiatives. Join me in welcoming the founder of Go Negosyo, the leader of the Private Sector Advisory Council for Jobs, and the chair of the ASEAN Business Advisory Council Philippines, Mr. Joey Concepcion.
First of all, I would like to greet our First Lady, Lisa Arleta Marcos. Our Secretary of Tourism, Cristina Garcia Frasco. Our friends from the Diplomatic Corps. Our partners from the private sector. And I'm told can become a powerhouse in tourism. You will get to hear from them later on as the program progresses.
Malaysia. Her Excellency Megawati Manan, Ambassador of Brunei. His Excellency Ambassador Mohammed Obaid Al-Khatam Al-Zabi, Ambassador of the UAE. Her Excellency Marielle Grace, Ambassador of the Netherlands. Chairwoman Maria Paz Alberto of the Pacific Asia Travel Association, Philippines. The awardees of the Go Negosyo Inspiring Tourism Entrepreneur Awards. Tourism industry stakeholders, my fellow workers in government, friends from the media and content creators, members of the academy, and students, mga kaigsuunan kong Pilipino, mayong buntag. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay and love the Philippines. It is my honor and privilege to extend the President's heartfelt greetings to all of you today who are in attendance. Allow me to read the words of our beloved President, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, I convey my warmest welcome and appreciation to everyone here as you hold the Go Negosyo Tourism Summit 2024. Aside from having such breathtaking sights and natural wonders, we are also privileged to have a long and rich history, as well as a colorful and vibrant heritage.
Fun Sean. Let's have a photo, please. Smile for the cameras, Miss Krista. Here we go, smile. Congratulations, Miss Krista Shane Fun Sean. Please remain with us here for the group photo. Next, in recognition for his contribution to Philippine tourism by showcasing hidden gems and the diversity of the Philippine festivals through his vlog, we congratulate Mr. Dave Christopher of Dave on Arrival.
Nakita ko na din yung mga content niya, mga videos.
Congratulations, Dave. Let's have your photo. Thank you. Please join us over here. Our third awardee, in recognition of her contribution to Philippine tourism by promoting the undiscovered beauty of Mindanao and advocating for eco-tourism practices. Congratulations, Ms. Hannah Madge Picho. Smile for the photo, Ms. Hannah. On the opening of our program. Smile for the photo. Congratulations. Travel experiences across the Philippines that benefit local communities. Zekash of Susie and the Philippines. Operation, Ms. Diane Clarice Goldsberg. Let's have a photo, Diane, for the presenters. Rival established chains offer quality products based on heritage flavors and local ingredients. Congratulations to you, Ms. Maria Angela Salonga. Practices that is now a tourist attraction and learning site. We congratulate Mr. Sustainable Agriculture, Biodiversity Conservation, and Mentorship of Farmers. Smile for the photo. Being an example of how a simple, cost-effective, and environmentally sound business model can be viable, we congratulate an industry leader. She has earned this year's Tourism Excellence Award. We present the President of Art Travel Express, Inc., Ms.
Cuisines that are emerging from our destinations, and that's also why we really appreciate our content creators who highlight the regional flavors that we have to offer. So in terms of gastronomy, this has been identified as a priority tourism program under the National Tourism Development Plan. Under the Philippine Experience,
solutions to be able to tailor fit our technology with the pain points of our operators, because I'm sure all the business owners, lahat ng mga entrepreneurs natin ngayon, alam nila na marami na tayong mga website na pwede natin gamitin online, but I tell you, when it comes to travel, there are very specific capabilities you will be needing. So, hindi lang yung front end, kung ano yung nakikita ng mga customers natin, but also back end. How are we managing inventory? How are we making sure that the redemption process of our
and that is why under the NTDP, infrastructure development is our #1 priority.
I believe.
Ngayong hapon, gugutumin ko kayo.
Okay, sige. Take it away. Chef RB, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, hello! My gosh, ang dami po ninyo. But before I start, taas nga po ang kamay ng subscriber ko sa YouTube.
Ako ng leche flan. Papagalitan niya po ako pag napasobra sa halo kasi magkakaroon ng hula. Hindi daw po magiging smooth ang leche flan. As I got older, my little kitchen hobby turned into a serious passion. I started to appreciate the art of cooking, and before I knew it, I was set on becoming inspired to bring something special to my hometown of Pinyan. Sino po dito ang Tagalog?
Let's go with a chant. Sense of building up their capacity to have education, which is a group of teachers, to help lead the community transformation, to help and being able to have value added